This is probably the dumbest shootout in the world, but anyway, it's widely known that Peter Green, early Fleetwood Mac, had the neck pickup on his Les Paul was reversed, as in the magnet itself was pulled out, spun around, and put back in. So that means when his two pickups were on, it was a cool out of phase sound, kind of like Brian May. Now, this guitar is not modded up that way. It's a very good Les Paul, but I do have my trusty 1966 Fender Mustang, which, yes, has the phase switches on it. So the sustain won't be there, but the quack will. Which sounds better? This is so dumb.